What's up, guys? For today's video, we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Impala Midnight Edition. Then I'll be taking it out on the road and show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So first, just a little overview on the Impala. GM redesigned it in 2014 as the 9th generation Impala, and since then they haven't changed anything, and honestly I don't think they should, because it's simply beautiful. And they came out with this Midnight Edition in 2015. So the Impala comes available with two engines, the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder and the 3.6 liter V6, which makes the 305 horsepower and 264 pound-feet of torque, and makes 18 in the city and 28 on the highway. So right over here you have your window control. All 4 windows are fully automatic. Right above it you have your mirror control. You have the door handle. You also have the 2 memory seat, lock and unlock. Right down here you have a storage with a cup holder and the Bose speaker. And on the left hand side you have your electronic brakes, the lights, you have the trunk opener, parking sensors, and the lane departure warning. You also have a small storage down here. And on the steering wheel you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise control with the heated seats and gap set. On the right hand side you have your controls for the screen and the voice command.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or on stop. Speech session ended. Goodbye.
And on the right hand side you have your windshield wiper control. On the left hand side you have your lights and the turning signals. And on the screen you have your speed, trip A, B, fuel range, fuel economy, oil life, tire pressure, average speed, coolant temperature. You also have your audio, phone, navigation, and options. And on the center console you have your 8-inch color display. Right below it you have your controls for it, and you also have a hidden padded storage with a USB port. Right here you have your hazards, you have the start button and the climate control. Right down here you have your wireless charging. And on the transmission you have a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. When you put it on reverse, a backup camera appears with guidance lines. And right beside it you have the 2 cup holders. You have the heated and ventilated seats. You also have the traction control and a phone holder. Right down here you have 2 USBs, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. And on the screen you have your audio. You have phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your navigation. You have settings. You have time and date, language, valet mode. You have radio, vehicle. You can control a bunch of stuff. You have Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, rear camera, and return to factory settings. You also have weather. You have text.
OnStar ready.
OnStar.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You also have traffic and shop. And on the window sticker, the car comes standard with 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. So the standard vehicle price is $30,420. They added the midnight package appearance, which includes the rear spoiler, pedal set cover, front and rear black bow ties, black painted wheels, grille body color, and they also added the 3.6 liter V6, which all comes up to $33,985. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.